So the bubble was, boom, easy as that. Slightly different format in terms of how I typically film my videos. Just trying to get a head start on filming or prefacing what's going to happen later on today. I usually don't work on cars on weekdays, but today kind of works out for me. So I'll be working on the Honda Civic today for the window switch and a few filters just to get that out of the way. Unfortunately, I'll have to reschedule for the oil change. Uh-oh. So I'll have to reschedule for the oil change, but nonetheless, at least I'll be able to get 70%, 80% done. And then I still have to do the Hyundai, the battery, and some TLC stuff. So more to come on that. Not sure if I'll try to combine it into one full video or if I'll break it out. So yeah, still working right now. Have to run to another site. So I should be free in the next 4 hours, hopefully, and then get those things done. So pick back up then. We got the Nissan Altima. Of Asian girl cars with the broken.
I didn't refill my water, so I could just throw this thing away. I'll refill it myself. No.
You want to be in my video?
I thought you just mute this part.
No, I don't voice over it. Anyways, broken window switch. Let's get it fixed. You getting that?
You want to be in the video or not?
Yeah, I'm supposed to be in it. Let me undo this one first. Okay. There we go. Oh. Dang, it really snapped. Okay. Plug in the big one. Just test it. Good morning. It's a new day. Continuation of the Honda Civic. So yesterday, all I was able to do was the window switch. Just didn't really have too much time. It was getting late in the evening. Thought it would be better to just pick back up the next day. In unison with the main reason the window switch needed to be changed out so quickly was because of a window tint appointment scheduled for today. So actually on the way right now to M-Car Window Tint in San Bruno City. My friend's right behind me. Gonna give him a lift. And then once the car is done, hopefully by, I don't know, early to mid-afternoon, if that kind of makes sense, get the car back, and then I'll be able to finish up, or I guess start and complete the filters and the engine oil. So I'll pick up once we get to the tint shop, potentially. I'll pick back up at some point. All right, so we just picked up the car from the tint shop. Came out really good. 5% on the rear, 20% on the front. Minor item, when we went to go pick up the car, there was a rather large air bubble forming on the rear windshield. So just had to let them know. They got that taken care of. Lifetime warranty, so it is what it is. I was a bit sad to see that Pedro is no longer with MCAR. He was the one that was very, very knowledgeable. I felt like he had a level of expertise and quality control. So I don't know if I feel like if Pedro was there, I think he would have caught the Honda Civic rear windshield bubble. So it is what it is. Making my way back now. I think I'm going to tackle the filters, not so much the oil change. It's kind of warm out, and I do need to be in the East Bay later, so I'm gonna just do the filters and go from there. So the bubble was somewhere over here, so hopefully it does not come back. Cabin air filter change, 2012 Honda Civic. All right. Boom, easy as that. Okay. New air filter, airflow down. Drops right in. Just like that. Engine air filter change. Brand new Can-Am. Just like that.